Polkadot could see a 5% retracement by June 29 based on 30 rates. Let's begin with a glance at the most recent market action. At this moment, Polkadot is down by 2.8% and is floating near an 82 cents. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. 30 rates expects the price to trend lower toward $0.779 by June 29. That's a projected drop of 5%. Polkadot is likely to head lower toward an 81 cents per Traders Union, with an expected decrease of 1.2%. Coin price forecast points out it could head toward an 83 cents, about 1.3% higher. Another outlook from Digital Coin Price highlights Polkadot may head higher to $0.846, a rise close to 3.3%. To conclude, Gulf Capital Collector projects the price to hit $0.876 by tomorrow, a gain of 6.9%. This is the top return forecast we've seen. That's your full analyst set. Let's go deeper. Let's move from the forecast to the numbers behind them. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a drop of 5% and a rise of 6.9%, depending on the analyst. It appears Gulf Capital Collector ends up with the highest projected return with 6.9% gain in value by June 29. To sum it up, you could earn between $12 and $69 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, Traders Union's forecast stands as the most probable, with an 89% likelihood. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've pulled together a single consensus scenario. From all forecasts combined, Polkadot may edge up to about $0.828. Now, let's get into the numbers. Consensus trends point to price advancing by 1.1%. That outcome means your capital could also register growth of 1.1%. With a 1,000 base, the move could equal about $11 in potential return. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 89.5%. Right here, let's look at the expected price movement across the next 3 days, according to analysts. 30 rates anticipates Polkadot falling. Likewise, Traders Union expects downward momentum to persist. Coin price forecast describes the near-term outlook as bullish. For this horizon, additionally, Digital Coin Price sees Polkadot heading higher. Additionally, Gulf Capital Collector suggests the direction is clearly higher. The consensus stance presents Polkadot with a clear downward direction. Taken as a whole, a clear majority leans toward growth in Polkadot. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Now it's time for a quick review. In the end, yesterday's record shows a close at $0.815. In this case, only 1 out of 5 captured the correct direction. The most exact forecast belonged to 30 rates. Time to sort through the results. The candle contained 3 forecasts yesterday. As for ROI, a few analysts were in the green, while 30 rate led with 2.6%. Now showing the performance check, how each analyst's forecast matched reality. The stats list 30 rates with $0.013 accuracy, 70.5% forecast probability, and 2.6% ROI. Try to find the analyst that stayed most in sync with the market. Now we'll compare the forecasted returns for tomorrow between Polkadot and a few other cryptos. Polkadot takes the lead in tomorrow's comparison, with an expected profitability of 1.1%. Only 5 cryptocurrencies are included in this section, and a wider comparison across many assets is already available on my website. We're done here. Subscribe now to see tomorrow's predictions from all analysts. See you in the next analyst check.